Hey guys, showing this Poetic Lumos case designed for iPad 10.2 inches, so it can be used for 9 Gen, 8 Gen, 7 Gen with a flexible transparent TPU back cover with a pencil holder. So it's compatible with the smart keyboard as well. So this is a clear case, as you can see it here, it's protective covering, and this is also like the released up thing, so you can use this Apple Pencil here in this side. It's a little flexible and a good material for the protective case. So the responsible button and very right, the cutouts are really responsive, and as you can see it here, like, let me just put this from the all corners, it fits well. And then the transparent design looks the device to show clearly and properly. So as you can see with this that everything is clear in the back, at the cutouts and everything for the camera and stuff is good, and you can store it well, very high quality material and the perfect fit. You can charge it really well, all these cutouts, very protective case.